So today I'll be showing you how to clear cache on your OnePlus 15. Now, if you find that your OnePlus 15 is becoming sluggy or slow, then too many apps might have accumulated too much cache and kind of gobbling up your RAM and making your phone slow. So what you need to do is go to your notorious apps. And by notorious apps, I mean the apps that normally you use the most. Okay, for me, that's going to be Chrome. I'm going to use that as an example. So go to settings. Under settings, go to apps, and then go to app management, and then look for the apps you use the most. So for this example, like I said, I'm using Chrome. So I'm going to open up Chrome and then go to storage usage, and then you should see the option clear cache. Now I've only used Chrome for a few minutes, but it has already accumulated 53.5 MB of cache for just like 5 minutes of use. So to clear cache, tap on that, and as soon as the cache is 0, you can go back again, and then do this for the apps you use the most. That's going to be apps like Instagram, your browsers, the Facebook app. These are apps that are notorious for accumulating a lot of cache data. So go and do that repeatedly for most of your most used apps. And that's how to clear cache on your OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.